Right, what's up everybody? Just like I promised, I'm going to show you guys how I got the Android 9, the Pi update on my Galaxy Note 9. I'm currently, this is a Sprint Galaxy Note 9, and this is only for the Snapdragon Note 9, so make sure, if you don't have a Snapdragon Note 9, do not install this, but this is only for the Snapdragon version of the Note 9. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Very simple, very easy. Nobody can get this wrong. If you mess up, that's on you. So it doesn't matter which version, it doesn't matter what network you're on, as long as you have a Snapdragon version of the Note 9, this is going to work for you. All right, so let's get right into it. Okay, guys, the next step in this is you're going to have to download the first link in the description. And once you do that, right now I'm using Windows on the Mac. And what you want to do is open the folder. Also, you're going to need to have to download Odin for Samsung. Let me just show you guys. Download Odin. Okay, you're gonna have to run Odin and just hit OK. And that file with the AT&T at the beginning right there, I gotta show you guys this file here. The file over here where it says, which is the first link in the description. Once you download that file, also download Odin. And once you do all that, once the file is downloaded, extract it. And what you want to do is put your phone into download mode. And that's holding the power button, the Bixby button, and the volume down button when you turn your phone on, after you shut your phone down. Okay, the first thing you want to do, put your phone into download mode and plug it into the computer. Let me just show you guys, because there are some people that's not going to know how to do that. So this video is going to be a little long. All right, Bixby, volume down, and power. All right, once you do that, you're in download mode, and press volume up to continue. And now the phone is in download mode. And okay, next thing you want to do is connect your phone to the computer. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Just show you guys how I did it. All right, plug it in. Okay, now once you connect it, that little bar right there was gray. It turns blue, and all you need to do is hit first thing you do, hit BL. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the file that has been extracted. The BL files goes into the BL space. Hit open. Let it load up a little bit, and once that's done, you hit AP. Also, and click on AP, the AP file, and hit open as well. Once that's with a little bit, because this one takes a little while. The AP file takes a little while to load. Okay, once the AP file is done, it takes like 3 minutes. Hit the the CP. Hit that CP file, hit open. Then you do the CSC, and then open as well. And the last one is user data. Hit that user data And then right here, user data is at the bottom. Hit open. Just wait a little bit. Okay, and once that's done, all you gotta do is hit the stop button right here, and your download will begin. Okay. And once you're done flashing this firmware, then we get on to the next step. Okay guys, once you're done with that first step, make sure you, on the second step, make sure you download that file, that second file, onto your phone. And make sure you follow the steps correctly. Like I said, Snapdragon variants only. If you're on Exynos, do not try this, because I'm not going to be responsible if you break your phone. So, all right, let's get right into it now. Make sure you have an SD card. You have to have an SD card, because this was the only way I was able to do it. I had to, pick up an SD card, download the file. You can either download the file onto your note, or download that file onto your computer and then transfer that onto your SD card. Okay, once you download the file, it's gonna be, all right, it's gonna be saved onto the internal storage here. So what you're gonna want to do is, it's either gonna be in your download folder or it's just gonna be at the bottom. Like for me, it's here at the bottom. It's not in the download folder, it's all the way here at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's gonna look like that same exact file. Now all you're gonna do is copy this, hit copy. I already did this, so I'm just gonna show you guys, what I did for. You're gonna hit copy, select the file, hit copy, go back, and make sure you have an SD card. Like I said, you gotta have a separate SD card. And make sure you can either create a folder, a download folder, or you just, once you hit copy, there's gonna be an option here for paste. All you gotta do is paste that onto the SD card. And once you do that, the next step is for you to turn off your device. Turn it off. Power the device off. Let it stick there. Power off. Okay. As you can see, the device is off, and the next step is hold the power button, the Bixby button, and the volume up button. And once you see that, once the screen turns on, or once you get that vibration, you got to let go of the power button and continue to hold the volume up button and the Bixby button until the thing pop up. All right, here we go. Okay, once you see that screen, you can bring that close up so you guys can see right there. Once you boot up to the screen, let go of the buttons, and you can navigate through the recovery with the volume up and volume down button, and the power button to select whatever options that you need to. So what you're gonna do is, right, you're gonna go down to where it says install from SD card, or apply updates from SD card. You're gonna hit the power button here, and next thing you're gonna want to do is, let me show you guys. For me, the files was in it was in the download folder right there. Since I created a folder, it was in the download folder on the SD card. So I select that, and there's the file right there. And all you got to do is to select that, hit the power button. Make sure that you don't extract the files. Once you download the file to your phone, I forgot to tell you guys that make sure you do not extract the file. It's a zip file. Do not extract it. Just copy. Once it's downloaded to your Note 9 and onto your system, make sure you copy it and paste it onto the SD card. Do not extract the file. Leave it as it is. And okay, so the next step is, I'm not going to do this because I already showed you guys how to do this. So I'm just going to go back, but all you need to do is hit the power button to select the file, and the download process is going to begin. It's going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. 15 minutes the most. Okay. And once everything is booted up, you just got it. Just, like your usual, enter your information, set up Wi-Fi and stuff like that. And before you do all this, make sure you back up your just make sure you back up your phone, like all the stuff, your important stuff, your contacts, photos, and all that stuff. Your data needs to be backed up. Back everything up and make sure that and that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If this works for you, please leave a comment. Let me know. If you have any issues as well, just hit me up in the comment section. All right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.